Budapest and beyond!
I'm in the presence of royalty here, as I'm sitting beside Budapest's own Little Princess.
This bronze statue by award-winning sculptor László Marton has been a local favorite for decades. Locals and tourists can't help but grab a selfie with her. I ran into one former Budapest resident that made a trip specifically to see this statue and recreate her childhood memories. The artist was inspired while watching his 5-year-old daughter playing in the playground.
Martin would often make a crown out of newspapers for her.
But then when his daughter grabbed a bathrobe to wear as a regal cape, it completed the ensemble. As soon as the sculptor saw his daughter full of joy in her royal wardrobe, he knew it would be his next statue. He made his original smaller statuette of the little princess in 1972, and that is now owned by the Hungarian National Gallery. But years later in 1990, the city of Budapest asked Marton for a piece to go on permanent display in the city. So a larger version of the original creation was made, and it found the perfect place to live along the Danube River. There is another copy of the little princess in Tokyo, Japan as well.